Okay, this is the review for the compound interest quiz. So we want to use the formula from our notes, which is A equals P, 1 plus R over N to the power of NT. Okay, so P is the principal, how much money you start with, R is the rate, and then N is your times compounded in a year, and then T is the amount of years. So if I'm going to read this, find the amount of money in the account after 4 years if $1,600, that's my P, okay, is deposited at a rate of 5%. That's my rate. My N, so it says it's compounded. Look for that word, compounded annually. That's my N, okay? If you don't know what annually means, if you look at your notes right here, annually means N equals 1. Okay. And annually N equals 1. And that's in your notes. And then my T, my number of years, is 4. So if P is 1600, now R, remember, 5%, you have to move the decimal 2 to the left. Okay, and then get rid of the percentage. So it's 0.05. Okay, for the rate, move the decimal to the left. Okay, N, the amount it's compounded, is 1 because it's annually, and T, the number of years, is 4. Now all you have to do is plug it into this formula over here. So let's rewrite it. So we're going to have 1600, 1 plus 0.05 over N, which is 1, to the power of 1 times T, which is 4. Okay, you type that into your calculator and you end up getting 1,000, this is money, 1,944.81. All right, and that's going to end up being letter A. Cool. Now, if you have trouble typing this into the calculator, you should talk to me during class so we can help you out. Let's do it again. A equals P, 1 plus R over N to the power of NT. So when I read it, J inherits $210,000, that's P. Investing at a rate of return of 4%, that's my R. Compounded monthly, that's my N. Now, what is N if it's monthly? Monthly N equals 12. Okay, and then my T, how many years? I got 18 years. So again, P is 210,000. R, again, if it's 4%, I got to move it 2 to the left. So that's 0.04. So 0.04 is my R. My N, again, if it's monthly, there are 12 months in a year. And my T, the amount of years, is 18. So all I got to do is plug that into the formula. Let's rewrite it. 210,000. 1 plus 0.04 over 12 to the power of 12 times 18. All right, so when you plug it in and you type all that in, you end up getting 430,914.71 cents. And again, that's in dollars. That's what you get. So you get letter D. So again, plug that into the calculator. It'll help you out. Last one, A equals P 1 plus R over N to the power of NT, right? So if you read it, the amount of money we have is 3,000. The rate is 7. The N for quarterly looks like this. Quarterly N equals 4. So N is 4. And then the T amount of time is 5 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and write this out. So P equals 3,000. R, if it's 7%, is going to be moving 2 to the left, which is 0.07. My N is 4, like we already said. And then T, the amount of time, is 5 years. So we're going to plug it into this equation. 1 plus 0.07 over 4 to the power of 4 times 5. If you plug that into your calculator, you're going to end up getting $4,244.33. So again, plug that in the calculator, and that is going to be answer C.